Today we are conducting the second of two operations specifically aimed at looking at the condition of agricultural vehicles being used on our road network. And this has been prompted by a number of events, both this year and last year, that the investigations have revealed defects on those vehicles and have not shown the agricultural industry in a positive light. We have been using our powers and inspecting vehicles from a safety perspective, for compliance with the construction and use regulations under the Road Traffic Act, and also whether they pose a risk or danger not only to the operator of that vehicle but also to other road users. It saddens me that 100% of the vehicles we have stopped today have had a defect on them that would make it an offence under the Road Traffic Act in some way, shape or form. Some of these offences may be minor, as in lighting offences, failing to display registration plates, but on two of the vehicles we stopped, had they not been close to a field, they were committing offences which would carry a power of immediate prohibition, and indeed were put into a field and they could not move until they had summoned a reputable engineer to rectify the defects. Prior to embarking on this course of action, I had consultation both at a local and a county level with the National Farmers Union. I was heartened that my course of action had their full support, and their opinion is very much as mine, that here in the 21st century there is an obligation on farmers with bigger and faster machines to ensure that they comply with the Road Traffic Act, that they are legally correct to be on the road network, and also to ensure that the agricultural industry is fit for purpose for the 21st century. Going forward, I'm going to be working with the National Farmers Union and other local bodies so that in future years this becomes regular routine activity, and we hope next year to see significant improvements. We hope to see a significant improvement also in the standard of operation of some of these machines on the road network to ensure that the agricultural industry moves forward in a more positive light than that we've witnessed over recent weeks. My advice to the farmers is that although sometimes improving these machines can involve small expenditure, that can be a little expenditure when compared against the potential risk of prosecution, particularly if that vehicle were to be involved in a serious road traffic collision and liabilities start to be discussed, and also the liabilities around the safety of their staff, many of which may well be family members.